Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is trading at a level of $2018.83. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, we have seen it has already made a half around 2091, and from there is a continuous fall. Okay, after 2 weeks, that means continuously for 2 weeks there is a continuous downfall, and if we go previous to that week, we can see there is green candle is forming, but that is also not have shown that great volatility what we have seen. Okay, overall trend, if you look at for 4-5 weeks, there is a continuous downfall. Okay, and if the price started falling below this level, a further downfall we can see towards $20.08, and as you can see that the dollar index trying to go upside and continuously strengthening. Okay, at this particular level we have seen the dollar was also moving down, but we have seen that is a continuous downfall, but is trying to go upside, as that is where we have seen a downfall in the price of dollar also. This is one of the factors I'm telling you. Okay, now it is trying to go upside. As soon as it moves out of a level of around $104.72, we will see a dollar getting index will be getting more strength, and that is where we can see the gold price can move further down. This is one of the factor I'm telling you. Okay, and if we go previously, you have to understand there is a clear pattern forming. Okay, and this clear pattern is being repeated for the same pattern we have seen in 2012 to 2020. The similar patterns are being repeated. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, if the price move below a level of 2070, chances are very high we will see it will go towards $20.08. Okay, and once started moving below this level, we can see it will fall further down towards 1995. Okay, and once started moving below 1995, a further downfall we can see, and from there a probability of going towards 1991 we can see. As soon as the price started falling below 1991, a further downfall we can see. From there, a probability of going towards 1981. After 1991, we can see a level of 1981, and from there a further fall towards a further down we can see towards a level of around $1987. After 1989, we can see a level of 1987 to a level of 1979. After 1987, we can see a level of 1979, and from there a further downfall towards $1969. As we can see, looking at this particular chart, two patterns are forming opposite of this particular pattern. This is the particular pattern is forming, so we can see as soon as start going below $20, a further downfall we can see, and then there is a probability it will fall below $22. Okay, and there is a high chances that as soon as started falling below this level, a probability of going towards 1985 to a level of 1981, and then to a level of 1971. Once started moving below this level, we can see a level of 1966, then from there a level of around 1954. Okay, now if the price started falling below this level, a further downfall we can see, you can say, then we can see it will move towards a level of 1934 also if the price fall below a level of 1954. You have to keep it in mind that market is always uncertain. Okay, so once the price, if you thinking that the overall trend is upside, if you look at this particular trend, okay, but if you look at from this particular view, we can see that there is a continuous upside. Okay, so chances can be very high that if suppose it form a swing, that means suppose if you are thinking that the market will go this way, but if it is not going, so you have to try to put your SL, so that whatever you are putting, you should be saving your capital if the market didn't go the way you want. Okay, but what's your profit, always try to trail your profit so that your capital can be saved. Okay, this is two things you have to do. Okay, suppose if the price form a swing or moved upside, chances are high if the price sustain this level and go towards a level of 2039, we can see it will move further upside. So now it is trading at 2017. Suppose if it sustain, we will see it will go towards 2031 to a level of 2039, and once it started going above this particular level, it will cross a level of 2059. After 2039, a probability of going towards a level of 2045 we can see, and from there after 2045 we can see it will cross a level of 2059, and from there a probability of crossing 2060 we can see, and then we can see it will cross a level of 2072. Keep that in mind. There will be higher chances if the price started going above 2033, probability of going further upside we can see. So once started going above that level, we will see a level of around 2058 to a level of 2064, and then to a level of 2017. Okay, and once the price started sustaining over 2017, we will see it will go towards 2083, and then it can touch this particular high. Okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me or